Okay, now so it's time for us to make the brim, and I'm going to use some white yarn. So I'm going to make a slip stitch and a slip knot rather, and pull through and chain 2. This chain 2 does not count as a stitch, and I'm going to make another double crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch I'm going to make another double crochet. So we have 1 double crochet in 2 stitches, and then I'm going to increase. That's 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 double crochet, and again 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and increase. Okay, so 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet. Okay, so an increase. So you're going to repeat that until you get to the end of the round, and I'll meet you back here at the end of the round. Okay, now so I have reached the end of the round, and I'm just going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Okay, so next I'm going to chain 2. It doesn't count as a stitch, and I'm going to make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then make an increase. That's 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2, 3, then make an increase in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then make an increase. That's 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then make an increase, and I will meet you back at the end of the round. I have gotten to the end of this round, and I'm just going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, and I'm going to chain 2, which doesn't count as a stitch, and then I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then make an increase once again. That's 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Okay, so 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 3 and 4, then make an increase, which is 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so one more time, 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then 2 double crochet in the next. So you're going to repeat that sequence till you get to the end of the round, and I'll meet you there. I have come to the end of the 3rd round of the brim, and I think I want to change color. Okay, so I'm going to introduce another color, which is yellow. I think I want to put yellow, so I'm going to put a yellow, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the first stitch and bring this row to an end, and then I'm going to snip off the white yarn and take it away from here, tie the ends so I can carry along the tails as I continue on the 4th round. Okay, so for row 4 I'm going to chain 2 and make a double crochet in the same stitch, and for this row we are going to make 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches and then make an increase. So 1 2 3 4 5 5 and then make an increase. That's 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so we continue in the same sequence. 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 5 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, then make an increase in the next. One more time, 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches, 4 5, and then make an increase in the next. That's 2 double crochet in the next. Okay, so you're going to continue this sequence until you get to the end of the round. Alright guys, so I got to the last stitch of the 4th round and I introduced a new color, and for the 5th round we are just going to be putting 1 double crochet in every stitch around. Okay, put 1 double crochet in every stitch around until you get to the very last stitch. Okay, so this is round 5 of the brim, and if you do not want your brim to be extra long, you can stop at any row you wish. Okay, I want my brim to be extra dramatic. That's why I'm making a lot a lot of rows. So please feel free to make your smiley bucket hat the way you please, the way you choose, the way that suits your face, the way you want it. Okay, this is how I want mine, and that's how I'm gonna do it. So if you want yours a little bit different, you can please go ahead and make the necessary adjustment. Okay, so I'll continue on this row until I get to the end and I'll let you see. Okay, so guys, I have gotten to the end of the 5th round, and I also want to introduce another color. So I'm just picking random colors from the granny squares to put at the brim. So I think this time around I want to introduce a blue yarn. So I'm just going to introduce this blue yarn. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet like this, and then I'm going to chain 2, 1 2, and then I'm going to snip off the red yarn, and I'm going to secure the yarn together, the yarn tail, so I can carry it along as I proceed. Okay, so one more time I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and on this row is the same as the previous row. Just make 1 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. 1 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. So let's go 1 double crochet in every stitch. Remember I said I want my smiley bucket hat to be so dramatic. So if at any point you feel the brim is too much for you, please you can decide to stop at any row. Okay, but this is exactly what I want, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how I want it, and I'm going to keep going until I get to the last stitch here. So continue to make 1 double crochet in every stitch all the way around until you get to the last stitch, and I'll meet you there. So I have gotten to the end of the row, and I want to introduce another color. I'm going to introduce black, the black yarn this time around. So I'm going to pull through, and I'm going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, and then I'm going to secure the ends here by tying them together and then carrying them along as I crochet. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to make just one single crochet in every stitch around. Just keep going with one single crochet in every stitch around, one single crochet in every stitch around until you get to the end of the round. Okay, so let's keep going. One single crochet, one single crochet in every stitch around. Okay, so keep going, one single crochet in every stitch around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round, guys. Meet you at the end of the round. So keep making one single crochet in every stitch of this round until you get to the end of the round, and I'll meet you back at the end of the round to show you what the hat looks like, to show you what the bucket hat looks like. Okay, so keep making. Okay guys, so keep making one single crochet. Okay guys, so keep making. Okay guys, so just keep making one single crochet in every stitch around, and I will get back to you at the end of the round to show you what our bucket hat looks like. Our smiley bucket hat. Don't forget to say smiley, okay? Our smiley bucket hat looks like. It's giving me all shades of happiness, all shades of vacation, all shades of everything happy. I really love the color combination. So let's keep crocheting, and I'll meet you back at the end of the round. We have come to the end of this round, and we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1, and then snip off your yarn, and that is the end of this project. So I'm just going to get my darning needle, and I'm going to thread it and hide this yarn. Okay, hide it the best way you can. Okay, so I'm going to go back and forth this way and then go this way. Okay, the best way you can so it doesn't come off. Way, and get my cutter, snip, snip. Okay, snip. All right, one more snip. And guys, this is what our bucket hat looks like. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this project. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.